being up here in the attic of the host project sort of is nostalgic in the sense that, you know, you can see all of the carpentry and the work that was undertaken by the original builders of the house. And you can also see where the modern meets the old. So when the roof came off, the old iron came off, we had pre-cut a whole bunch of these X150 LVLs, had them ready to go, clamped it up, screwed them to the old existing rafters and straightened up that big sort of dip that used to be in these rafters. So it's the old has done the work for a long time. It's time for the new guys to take over. And then when it came to creating the storage in here, I've used the LVLs to create a strong back. I've doubled up the existing ceiling joist by fixing a 150 LVL alongside the old 4x2 ceiling joists that were here. And then we've sheeted out the whole area using the J&L TriBoard as well. It's been really easy to work with. It gives a really great finish. And because of the size of the sheets, it was actually easy to get them up here as well and work on them. So the combination of the LVLs and the TriBoard has made for a really, really useful, practical storage solution.